The Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo launched in India in June at Rs 19,999. The camera has a retro-themed design with an analog, classic look and instant printing capability. Hey everyone, my name is Ishan, this is Gadgets 360 and today I'll be trying out the latest Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo and will share my first impressions on it. So let's get started. We have the Instax Mini Evo Premium Edition here, and it certainly has a graphic-rich packaging with some of the camera's key features mentioned on the back. Let's take a look inside the box. We have both the Instax Mini Evo and the Instax Mini Instant Film. Let's take a look at what's inside the camera box. A user manual, a USB Type-A to micro USB charging cable, and a shoulder strap. In the Instant Film box, we have two mini Instant Film. On the top of the camera, we have a mode dial that feels like metal and is used to select one of the 10 filters that the camera supports. Here we have a shutter button, a button to reset your filter and lens style, a 1x4-inch shoe mount and the print lever. The LCD display on this camera lets you frame your shot and apply various filters before printing. The menu is simple and you won't have to dig deep to find some of the settings, which is a plus. We have the controls here, including the menu or selector button with navigation pad, the preview button, the back key, and the switch to open the back lid to replace the film. The outlet for prints is outlined in chrome on one side and the tripod mount is on the other. The charging port and a micro SD slot are hidden beneath the Fox leather lid at the bottom. The Instax Mini Evo has decent picture quality as per my first impressions of the camera. When there is adequate light or when the flash is on, the images are sharp. Although the colors seem good, pictures tend to appear a touch more vibrant when the rich color print setting is activated. We have different lens styles, tend to be precise, which includes fisheye, which offers a very wide field of view, and soft focus, which blurs out rest of the frame and keeps the focus on your subject. We also have 10 different film styles to choose from, which includes vivid, to give you a more saturated and vibrant image, monochrome, a black and white filter with darker shadows and toned down highlights, and many more. The photos print very quickly. The Instax Mini Evo has the advantage of supporting a companion app. You can print photos straight from your phone with the Instax app, save photos taken with the camera to your phone via Bluetooth, and do a lot more with it. The app is available for iOS and Android. This camera also has a high quality print setting and remote shooting feature. The Instax Mini Evo is the latest addition to Fujifilm's Instax lineup with an LCD screen, improved picture quality and micro SD support. Do you think this is worth the premium over the standard Instax series? Do let us know what you think in the comment section. That's it for today's video. Do like and share it, and as always, keep following Gadgets 360 for all things tech.